person I interview's name is Joe Nisi. He works in Marin County. His job title is Deputy Sheriff. He has to wear special clothes, a uniform with a tool belt, and handcuffs and a handgun. The main thing that he does in his job is helping people. The hardest part of his job are the long days. The most fun part is solving problems.
Oh, do you want to show us maybe your map and your picture?
This is my picture.
Can you show it so everyone can see? Nice job.
And that's my map. That's my house, that's the school, that's the bay, that's the highway, that's the sheriff department, that's my team.
Great job. And will you tell us a little bit about your poster?
It's actually at the end, but I just put it in front because it looks like it. And that's me interviewing him, and that's me interviewing him, and that's me talking to him. That's in the car, and that's at the car. That's in the car. That's in the car, and that's in the car. And he has this special gadget in the trunk. When like a bad guy's chasing somebody, it's like 3 long black strips. He throws it out into the road, but it's like a fishing rod, so he still has some hook to it. The bad guy's car goes over it. The picture of the car makes the black stuff. When the car wheels go on it, it pops the car tires.
Wow.
That's awesome.
Wow. Leo, you did such a nice job. Can we have a big round of applause for Leo?